I mean, the USSR doesn't really have airfields over here, and unless we start losing a bunch of islands, we're not going to get bombed over here. So I think I'm going to go concentrated here, even though, I mean, obviously, if we start losing, then we're going to lose, well, we're going to lose hard anyway, but we're going to get bombed. So I'm going to go concentrated for more factory output. What could possibly go wrong? And that's finally time to talk about our Air Force. We got a variety of air wings. We didn't set up yet because we didn't have to. I'm going to go and select all the air wings that are not on an aircraft carrier. I'm going to do that, and actually, am I just going to go? Yeah, you know what? Let me just trash all these. This doesn't destroy the planes. It just puts all the planes back in reserves, and then we'll have to deploy them again. Is that all of them? Did I correctly get them? Yeah, see, these are all on carriers, you can see. So we're going to put them in reserves, and then there's a handy feature where if you go into the airplane mode, F3, and then you click on the air zone you're interested in, southern China, you can say, show me all bases, including empty ones, and including allied bases, and then sort by distance from this air zone. So the closest air base to here is Sichuan over here, although it's quite small. It can only fit 400 planes, which is pretty terrible. And then there's Taiwan. Well, I think what we're going to do is, in Sichuan, we're going to make our fighter wing. So I'm just going to move some fighters over there, and I'm actually going to tell them they can reinforce up to 400 in case we have, different types of planes. Is there any way to just type in a number? Because that would be really handy. We'll set a limit. We'll say, okay, so we're going to deploy 400 fighters in Sichuan. And then in Taiwan over here,